Hey guys, my name is James and this is in response to a question. It says here, is there a way to store the values? I have to level mine every day, or if I turn the machine on off. The answer is you don't have to auto level each time you want to print something. You can actually store the values and then use the values that you've already stored in the latest print. I'm going to show you how to do that. So this is Octoprint and I'm just going to go to the terminal. This is for my Ender 3. I'm going to go here and I'm going to suppress all the messages. You can also use prompter face if you need to. And I'm just going to do a M503. And you can see right here I have saved values for my mesh, bed leveling mesh. Also, if I go here to my CR10S Pro, I'm going to go to the terminal again, suppress all the messages, and then I do a M503 again. And then you can see right here, again, I have a mesh for the auto bed leveling. So these are the offsets per each point. The CR10S Pro has 25 points. The Ender 3 has 9. So for me, I already have my mesh set up and it's already saved on the eeprom. If you never saved the mesh before to your eeprom, these are the steps that you're going to have to do. First, what you're going to do is a G28. You're going to home your printer. Okay, it's been homed. Now we're going to do a G29. This is going to level the bed. G29. As you can see, it's working. My CR10S Pro is doing the 25 mesh leveling. I have to wait for it to finish. Couldn't wait that long. Through the miracle of time lapse, the auto bed leveling was completed. So here we go. We have the bed leveling data. And then the one thing we're going to do is M500. This is going to save the data to the eeprom. And then you can see it says settings stored. If I do an M503, you're going to be able to see the mesh settings right here. So we're going to go to Cura or any slicer that you're using. We're going to go to settings, printer, and then manage settings. We're going to go to the machine settings, and then right here on the start Gcode, you can see that I have an M420S1. This is the auto bed leveling, and we're going to use a saved mesh. Instead of probing for a new mesh, we're using the previously saved mesh. Now this only works if you already have a mesh that's saved. I'm going to close this, and then I'm going to go to my Ender 3. I'm going to just activate it, and then we'll go to the mesh settings over here. And then right here, instead of using the M420S1, I'm using the G29 setting. This means that it will auto level each time it does the print. Why do I have my Ender 3 set to probe each time I do a print, while my CR10S Pro is using a saved mesh? For one thing, it takes a lot longer to do a 25 point probe rather than a 9. The bed of the CR10S Pro is attached to these two rails, which makes it a lot more stable. The Ender 3 has a single rail, which makes it a little bit less stable. Also, the compression springs on the CR10S Pro is a lot stronger and stiffer. If I put pressure on the bed of the Ender 3, you can see that it rocks back and forth a little bit more than the CR10S Pro. So each time I use the scraper or try to dislodge the print from the bed, I think the Ender 3 will have more of a chance to get out of alignment.